I attended Ann Carden's 3-day workshop on how to get elite clients. And I have to say, it is the most life-changing event I've ever attended in my life. I am not really putting flowery language out there. This is being very authentic.
I have known Ann for probably around 10 years. And I recently attended one of her programs. And I've never really attended one of her programs before. And I think of the millions of dollars that I've left on the table because I haven't.
We just attended Ann Carden's 3-day workshop on how to attract high-end clients.
Amazing.
And it was a major shift.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, and thank you for the opportunity for me to participate in this workshop. I must say that I was overwhelmed with a lot of detailed work because in the past I was with several others who gave a very overview of the different things, but you showed us the nuts and bolts that helped me to see where I am and to see what information that needed for me to take my business to the next level.
We learned how to immediately, in the next 30 days, bring in high-end clients. So I have got lots of work ahead of me, but the great thing is I'm excited and I'm going to be much more focused. It was well worth the 3 days.
We really enjoyed your event. It really opened my eyes and my ears and my mind to some of the strategies that on how you approach with coaches and consultants to better empower their businesses and make more money, essentially.
One of the things you talked about was getting the right clients. As a coach, we go into it with our heart, and but a heart as big as it is, or as much as we want to give, doesn't necessarily reach out and touch the people that really need to hear what we have to say.
Right out of the gate, it can just affect so many of us in how we think about thinking big and really wanting to aim higher at, the goal of what we bring as coaches to the environment and to our clients and to just everybody that we interact with. So I really love the workshop just for how you aimed and, just kind of met the need right out of the gate with your content. So I loved it.
That really helps create a system that you walk a client through to bring them to an offer. And getting those clients to raise their hand on their own versus you fully trying to just turn the rocks over and find, there's a potential client.
And money's always is important. There's that balance. I mean, we want to do good in the world, but the more that we have, the more the money that we bring in, the more that we can do for the world.
Basically, it inspired so many ideas in my own business. I did not know how to up-level to that really high-figure clientele. And now I really know the steps to take in my business.
This program I attended with Ann was just eye-opening as to simplify and take somebody through a process in a conversational way to help you get a yes. If you're a business coach or a coach of some type and you want to accelerate your business, I would recommend you look up Ann Carden.
And I'll say too, Ann, that you even challenged my own mindset on with a profoundness that, with coaching that I didn't think possible. So I thank you for that.
And I just want to add to that, just the value that you brought.
And your programs are very relevant and not just some implementable. So they're able to work. And I highly recommend if anybody wishing to get Ann's services. And again, it's a joy and a privilege to get to know you, Ann.
What Ann has done is blazed a trail into the higher end marketplace. It was a short workshop in terms of hours per day. It was just like 2.5 hours a day for 3 days, but it felt like 6 or 8 in terms of the impact and the the mental processing that we were doing afterwards.
Oh yeah. Just thank you. That was really eye-opening and helpful to reframe my thinking.
It taught me a lot on how to really create different spheres in my business. It really turned my world upside down, I would say, in the best possible way. If you ever have any question about how to take your business to that really next level to get those elite clients, or you're thinking about, should I attend Ann Carden's workshop or work with her in any capacity, do it, and do it now, because it will change your business. It will change your life.
Thank you, Ann.